Hi, in this video we present Escapp, a web platform for conducting educational escape rooms both in class and remotely. If you register in Escapp as a teacher, you will be able to create a profile for your escape room in 8 simple steps. First, enter some basic information about your escape room: its name, the course to which it belongs, a brief description, its duration, the maximum team size, and a password. Then, you can set up the different shifts in which the escape room will take place. You can establish an enrollment period for each shift and host the activity in a fixed schedule or in an asynchronous way. Next, you can enter the puzzles of the escape room and their solution, as well as assign hints to each puzzle. You can choose the hint strategy to follow, limiting the number and frequency of hints as well. In addition, you can provide a set of instructions for students to read before playing. Next, you can customize the team interface, which is the one students will see on their devices while playing. You can add as many content blocks as you wish, customizing the text and inserting multimedia files. You can choose in which parts of the escape room they will be shown, making sure that the content shown to students at each moment is relevant to the puzzle they are working on. You can also add gamification elements such as a countdown, a real-time leaderboard, and a progress bar. You can customize this interface by choosing one of the 21 themes available. Lastly, you can add an introductory video to play at the beginning of the activity. Similarly, you can set up the class interface, which you can screen in the classroom if you're hosting the activity face-to-face. The last step allows you to set up the grading scheme for the escape room based on the number of puzzles solved and the number of hints obtained, as well as to choose the way in which attendance will be taken. Once the escape room is set up, we can review its profile, and if we're satisfied with the result, we can invite students to join through the link, a QR code, or from the main page of Escapp by providing the escape room password. When students sign up, they can enroll in the escape room and choose their preferred shift if there are more than one, as well as join an existing team or create their own. From then on, they can see the escape room information, and if they have joined an asynchronous shift, they may start playing. Students will watch the introductory video and the rest of the team interface previously set up, and they may start working on the first puzzle. When they guess the solution, they can enter it in the text box in the top bar. If it's correct, they will see how their progress increases, and they will be shown the information relative to the next puzzle. If they get stuck, they can request a hint. When they solve all the puzzles, the countdown will stop and the activity will be over. It is worth mentioning that the puzzles of an escape room can be developed as external resources and use the REST API that Escapp provides to communicate with the platform. During the escape room, teachers can monitor students' progress through the Learning Analytics dashboard. Teachers can track students in real time or analyze the results afterwards to identify in which aspects of the escape room students struggled more. Lastly, teachers can generate the gradebook of the escape room with a grading scheme set up earlier and export the grades to use them in the course learning management system. That was all. Escapp is an open source project developed by the Next Generation Internet Group at Technical University of Madrid. The source code and documentation for Escapp is available at github.com/ging/escapp.